Hi, I'm Dennis. Welcome back to Product Insider. I think I need to grab a drink. No worker, no problem. It's the era of self-service kiosk. Just a few clicks and it's done. Just that simple. This kiosk looks quite different, right? The asymmetric design makes it quite eye-catching. The kiosk SSK515 strikes a balance between user experience and size. It is suitable for various venues like airports and cafes that need more space for passengers or customers. The lightweight 9.4 kilograms kiosk is popular among cafe owners. Its small size frees up more space for seats to accommodate more customers, which means more profits. The SSK515 features a 15.6-inch Full HD LCD multi-touch screen. The screen may not be that big, but actually it is more user-friendly. Customers can order or check in quickly instead of searching down the whole screen. The thickness of the kiosk is just 8.7 centimeters. It supports wall mount and countertop stand to fit in any kind of business environment. On its top, there is a LED light bar that supports 256 colors with different effects. The most important feature of the kiosk is the modular design, which makes it easy for maintenance, upgrade, or even customization. Instead of a motherboard, this kiosk features an integrated plug-and-play Intel Smart Display module. When technicians from system integrators come for repair or upgrade, they can just pull it out easily. The modular design has very big advantage. It's the same for the NFC reader or the printer. No matter what you need to do, you don't need to take the whole kiosk back. In another case, we even have a customer who wants to replace this NFC reader with a credit card reader. But that's not a problem for us. Well, check out our new module. The SDM-510L. It features 12th generation Intel Core i processor, 2 DDR4 slots, M.2 key E for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and key M for SSD. It also provides 3 HDMI 2 slots. They are cool stuff, right? Thanks for watching. See you!